Hey everybody, it's Friday Farm Vlog, and last Friday we had set up a Japanese beetle trap, and so it's been set up all week. I checked it the other day and there was nothing in there, but I'm gonna go check it now, and hopefully we caught some Japanese beetles so they'll stop eating my cherry tree. There's nothing in there. The scent bait's still on there. I don't know why it's not working. I'll have to try out a different location and maybe we'll actually catch some. That would be great. I don't see any currently on my cherry tree, but it looks like there's a little bit more damage. So maybe a new location will be the way to go. Maybe with it being in that pine tree, maybe the pine smell, I gotta switch my bread. I had proofed some yeast this morning and made a sandwich loaf because my kids requested some homemade bread. And so I just have to make sure I keep timers so that I make sure that I can get the first rise and the second rise timing correctly and the bake time. So I'm gonna check on the bread, pull it out of the oven, and see if it's ready.
Can I slap?
So I had a comment from someone asking what hair products I use, like what shampoo, conditioner, and such. And I actually have an embarrassing story in regards to how I came across the shampoo and conditioner I've been most recently using, and that is I really enjoy horses and I like to spend time with horses, and I try to horseback ride weekly. Well, I was cleaning a horse's hoof with a hoof pick, and so I was hoof picking her back hoof and she pooped on my head. I'm sure it was accidental, but I had poop coming down and I hosed off my hair, and I asked my daughter to run and grab some horse shampoo from the tack room. So she ran and grabbed some and I washed my hair with it. And I couldn't believe how good it smelled and how good my hair looked after. So I totally went and picked some up from Tractor Supply. So it's the Mane and Tail shampoo and conditioner. And I just really like how well it cleans my hair, how it smells, and it's actually not just for horses. There is instructions for human use as well, so I really like it.
They're really, really cold. Even if you leave them in the sun, they're cold.
Alright, it feels like this is cool enough. So I'm gonna cut this down the middle so I get 2 loaves, because I don't have a loaf pan. Kaden, would you like Would you like to try it?
Yes.
You've been waiting for that.
So where's the bread? We're eating the bread.
All for you. You want some, babe? Feels nice and soft.
If you're wondering why I have long sleeves, it's because it's my bathing suit top where I go swimming in the pond. That's why.
It is a hot day out there. Okay, my kids and my husband are happy with the bread. Let's go out and see the farm animals. Everybody's been doing good. Getting into trouble as usual, but that's par for the course with animals on the farm. I had one of our bucks, Freddie James, get his head stuck in a grain bag this morning. Oh no. Calvin, what happened? Buddy. What happened? You okay? Sorry about that. And I had a buff Brahma Bantam chickie baby get string and a zip tie, loose zip tie wrapped around her leg. I do have some issues with the netting that I use over where occasionally they pull strings from it. So I'm always on the lookout for strings, but somehow these chickies find these things and get caught up. So we got that safely off of her, no damage done, thankfully. And then the other day we had a buckling that looked like he was stuck in the pallet fence. Did you get yourself stuck? What did you do, huh? You trying to get to the ladies, huh? Turns out he wasn't actually stuck. He was just trying to watch the female goats in the goat area next to him, because as soon as I got him out of there, he just went right back in the same spot. Hey boys! So I got the bantam roosters out and about in the yard. They're enjoying some free ranging along with the goats. I got my bucks out. Hi, Calvin James. Hello. Hi. Where's your twin brother? There's Freddie James over there by the garden. And we got the buckskins. We got Rory and Mr. Fitzwilliam Darcy. Oh, roosters are following. They've been following me around a lot lately. They're getting more and more friendly. Hey boys, how's everybody doing? Hi. Hello. What are we doing, huh? Our bantam chicks have continued to lay eggs, which is so exciting. Our little pullets. We do still have some standard Buck Orpington pullets that will be going to their new home soon. They're going to start egg laying soon. Guys are getting so big, these chickie babies. Hi, Miss Amelia Bedelia. Miss Amelia's in heat, so she is driving the bucks wild today. They have been all in a tizzy about Miss Amelia Bedelia. Oh, the bucklings. Hi, boys. The 4 boys are hanging out together. And then right next door, the 2 girls. Oh, hello. Hello. I mean, the 3 girls, I'm sorry. Amelia Bedelia's little girl has been hanging out now with the older girls, Fancy Nancy's dough, and hi, Sparkle. I'm Sparkle. Hello. Hello. I know. It's so nice that the kids have other kids to play with and enjoy the playgrounds. My kids want to go for a nice swim in the pond on this hot, steamy day, and then gonna make some dinner. But thank you for hanging out with us today. And if you haven't started your farm yet, what are you waiting for? Get your farm on.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you want a farm? A wicked awesome farm? Watch this channel to learn what to do. We love to farm and we'll show you. Yeah.